Up next in fourth place is the Rain Bird ST8I 2.0. This unit is a great product that can help you save water and money while it perfectly irrigates your yard, lawn, or garden. It is an 8-zone system designed for internal mounting only. It is equipped with a complete collection of controls built into the hardware itself. With an LCD panel and a few simple buttons, you are fully in charge of the scheduling and manual watering runs. Its hardware setup is a bit more complex than others on this list, because the AC adapter does not plug into a socket. It has 2 bare wires that must be screwed onto the posts of the ST8I, and is attached to the sprinkler via screw connectors. However, setting up the app is easy once you are done with the wires. You just need to download the Rain Bird app and set up the Wi-Fi connection. The process is pretty straightforward. The app serves primarily as a way to manage its onboard controls remotely. It is not the most responsive, but it still offers features like customizing and monitoring zones, managing schedules, and watering delays. There are also optional notifications, such as freeze warnings, watering delays, and watering events. Furthermore, we like that the ST8I can be set to skip watering entirely if it is raining. But that is possible only if you have a wired sensor outside. Its pros are, it is compatible with Alexa, it has 2 AA batteries in case of power outage, and it has a durable design. However, watering delay on the rain forecast is manual, not automatic. The Rain Bird ST8I 2.0 is suitable for anyone looking for an in-house smart sprinkler system with a sturdy build. Still haven't found a smart sprinkler system that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos.